Welcome back to your Soul dashboard. My name is Johann. Today, we're focusing on a critical step for seamless accounting, connecting your bank feed. To begin, navigate to the Transactions section on the left-hand menu and select All Transactions. Once the transaction screen loads, look to the top right and click the Manage Bank Accounts button. This opens the control panel for your linked accounts. Next, select Add Bank Account. This action will launch the secure connection process through our third-party partner, Fiskil. This screen provides essential details on the data we access, how long we share it, and the data security measures in place. Review the details, and when ready, click Continue to proceed to the bank selection screen. Here you can search for or scroll through a wide variety of supported Australian financial institutions. For this demonstration, we'll select Suncorp Bank by typing the name into the search bar and selecting the result. You will receive a final confirmation that you are about to be redirected to your bank's secure portal to authorize the connection. Click Continue once more. You will now enter your bank's secure portal. Follow the on-screen prompts to input your login credentials, confirm the accounts you wish to link, and complete any two-factor authentication requested by your bank. Once authorization is successful, your bank account will be securely linked to the Soul app. You can now return to the transaction screen to view and manage your automatically imported transactions. This powerful feature saves you time and ensures your financial data is always up to date. If you have any further questions on this process, please contact our support team. Thank you.